How to download Binance transaction history. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Binance transaction history. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to simply log into Binance and you're going to make sure that you have performed your KYC and your account is verified. And also you need to have transactions in order to download them. So once you have signed into your account and you do have valid transactions, you're going to simply head over to the wallet section over here and you're going to go into Spot. So once you do open Spot, you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So over here, if you have some valid transactions, you'll be able to see the option of transaction history. So once you do click on that, you'll be redirected to an interface that would look something like this. So if you have made any transactions in the past, you'll be able to see all of them listed over here. So first thing that you're going to do is select the type of transaction, whether crypto or fiat, and also the time range that which you wish to download the record for. And then you'll be able to see a button over here. So once you click on that, you'll be able to see various options such as export transaction records, export deposit history, export withdrawal history, and export referral records. So you're going to click on export transaction records if you wish to download the transaction history, and then you'll be redirected to another interface that would basically ask you to select the data type, the coin, account, info display, the time range, some profile format. And once you have selected all of that, let's say we want to select CSV, Excel, or PDF. So after selecting your desired one, you're going to simply head over and click on generate. And now it says generation successful, and you'll be able to see that it says generating within 41 minutes. So you're going to come after 41 minutes and then you'll be able to see a button by which you can download your transaction history.